I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still water. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness